Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We will enjoy with time. Let's start telling time. Practice. I have different type of worksheet. Can you see? You want to see? See here. See? Telling time worksheet. How? What is the time now? Can you tell? See? The small hand, or you can say our hand. Actual, the name is this small hand, our hand, and it is a our hand, and it is big hand, long hand, and minute hand. Whenever the our hand like a 4 or 5 or big hand, minutes hand on the 12, so the time is like at present. Now you can see this is a 4 o'clock. If the situation is like that, but the small finger will come on 5, it is called 5 o'clock. So what is the answer here? 4 o'clock or 12 o'clock? Yes, 4 o'clock. Okay? Yes, 4 o'clock. Again, what is the time now on this clock? Which? Yes, 8 o'clock. What is the time now? 5 o'clock or 3 o'clock? Yes, 3 o'clock. Correct. It means you know the time. What is the time now? Yes, 10 o'clock. Exact. Correct. In between this like exact time, I want to give little bit change. Yes, it is coming now 7 o'clock or 11:30. See, here you can see here the small hand between the 11 and 12 and minute hand on 6. So my dear student, it is 11:30. You know, before I also told here 60 or 20. And what is the method for 3 method? First you can check here the small hand, then write the time, then after that you will do the 2 dots, then check the minute hand. The 3 methods are there in for time. You can check one for the where the our hand. Second, you put this 2 dot. Why you are putting 2 dot? Because of the here 2, we are putting 200, so 2 dots. And after that here is the second third method is where the minutes hands. Right. Now it is, you can say 11:30 now. According to that, here is the 00 means 60 here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. So now the time is 11:30. Here is again 2:30, or you can say 2:30. So the time is 2:30, because the small hand between 2 and 3 means half past finish, half are left for 3 o'clock. Now 7:15 or 6:45. You understand this? Start from the 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So it's a 6:45 means 6:45 means this part is not completed. So 6:45. After this quarter, it become a 7 o'clock. So now the time is 6:45, or you can say 6:45. Okay, student. Now the time is 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Now 12:15 or quarter past 12 means 15 minutes past 12. So that is quarter 12. Quarter past 12. Now it is, you can say 10 past 9 or you can say 9:10. 10 minutes past 9 o'clock or 9:10. Here 10 minutes past 4 o'clock or 4:10. This clock half 6 to 12 here, the all area is coming past, and this all area half is coming 2. Now quarter to 6 or 5:45 means 15 minutes, remaining 15 minutes 5 for 6 o'clock. Okay, what is the time now? Quarter to 8 or 7:45 means 15 remaining 15 minutes for 8 o'clock or 7:45. I think you understand the times. Thank you for watching this video. So we will go to the another section and we will start telling exact time and correct according to the English. The question is, what time is it? So answer will start, it is 2 o'clock. See, it's exact 2 o'clock because hour hand on 2 and minute hand on 12. So what time is it? 2 o'clock. You can see this is called digital. You can see in mobile nowadays, in the mobile, computer, laptop. So this time is called digital, this one. Okay, now this I told you, start from the 12 to 6. This area is coming past. For example, here it's 5 minutes past means, see, start from the after dot 1 2 3 4 till this dot means this 5 minutes past what? 2 o'clock. So it's 5 past 2 or 2:05. Now 10 past, it is 10 past 2 because see, again you can count, start from the here, don't include this one. After this dot 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it is 2:10 or 10, it's 10 past 2 means this is coming past tense. It means finish the time, it will not come back. Now you can say quarter past 2 or 2:15. I told you na, this area is coming quarter, this 12 to 3, this 15 minutes or 9 to 12, this 15 minutes it's coming in the quarter. Here it is coming quarter past, or this area is coming 2. Whenever the time is there here coming any, it is coming 2, or 1 to 6 it is coming quarter past, or here quarter 2. So the time is 3:15 or quarter past 3, sorry 2 means 15 minutes completed, finish, completed. It is coming in past. Now come 20 past 2 means 2:20. 2:20 or quarter, it's 20 past 2. Now 25, it is 25 past 2. See how it is 25 past 2. Again count 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. You can say 2:25 or it's 25 past 2. Now you can say half. This is coming half. You see, if it is coming on 6, it is coming 6. You can say half. Half past 2 or 12:30. You can say 12:30 or half past 2. Okay, like that is coming. So please watch smoothly. Okay. See here it is coming 2:45. I told you it is coming this area to this. It is coming in 2. So it is 2:45 means 15 minutes are remaining. 15 minutes to complete 3 o'clock. So the time is 2:45 or it's 2:45. Again here 2:50. You can say 2:50 or it's a 10 to 3. Okay, see now the time is exact 3 o'clock. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. Exact 3 o'clock. You understand? Yesterday you already draw one clock. That clock you please take dark color pencil and draw on this clock. This it's a 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 minute past and it's half past. Here is the o'clock. It's 0 o'clock. Okay, like that. It's 25 to it's 20 like that. So please complete in the this complete in the on the paper. If you got book, no problem. If you not get copy or book, just complete on the paper, and whenever you get the books or copy, that time you should paste in the maths copy. Okay, and student, hope you understand this concept. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.